Emma believed one simple thing. If she worked hard, if she stayed professional, if she didn't complain, she'd be respected. That's what she told herself. Every time she stayed late, and every time her name was left out. Emma liked her job. Not because it was perfect, but because it felt fair. Her manager praised teamwork, talked about growth, said things like, "We all succeed together here." When deadlines were tight, Emma stepped in. When others hesitated, she said yes. She expected effort to be noticed, rewarded, protected. That's how it's supposed to work. The first time it happened, she brushed it off. She stayed late for 3 nights, fixing a report before a client presentation. In the meeting, her manager presented the work smoothly. He said, "We refined the data." Emma waited. Her name didn't come up. She told herself, "It's fine. He knows." Then it happened again. A project no one wanted. A deadline no one volunteered for. Her manager looked around the room and paused. Emma felt the silence stretch. So she said it. "I can handle it." He smiled, relieved. After that, he stopped asking. Work simply appeared on her desk. She expected appreciation. What she got was expectation. Emma noticed something change. Not in her boss, but in herself. She stopped leaving on time, stopped taking breaks, stopped pushing back. When she tried once, gently, he laughed and said, "You're just better at this than the others." It sounded like a compliment, but it worked like a trap. Because now saying no felt like letting everyone down. The breaking point wasn't dramatic. It was quiet. A promotion was announced. Someone else got it. Someone who had fewer responsibilities, fewer late nights, fewer invisible sacrifices. Emma congratulated them, smiled. Then she went back to her desk and opened the same workload she'd always carried. That's when she understood. Hard work hadn't protected her. It had replaced her boundaries. Emma didn't quit that day. But she changed something else. She stopped filling silences, stopped volunteering automatically, stopped confusing being needed with being valued. Here's what she learned, quietly. Effort without limits invites exploitation. Praise without action is a distraction. And respect doesn't come from endurance. It comes from clarity. Emma didn't become difficult. She became defined. And for the first time, work stopped costing her who she was. Some lessons are easier to hear when they arrive as stories. If you want more like this, you know where to find them. Subscribe.